all of you. My name is Hamza. Today my topic is a science experiment.
So we have taken 1 glass water, spoon, 1 packet of Ehaan and 1 packet of shampoo. So let's see what happened. Let's mix them. We have put shampoo in it and now we have to mix it well. Now we have mixed it. So now we have put some Ehaan in this. So let's put. Wow. Ehaan, hand पीछे करो. Wow. See, it's so beautiful. So if you like this, so please like our video and share. So bye bye for now. Ehaan say bye bye.
Bye bye.